When your pH meter is giving inaccurate readings, the first thing you should check is calibration. Proper calibration is the foundation of reliable pH measurement. Calibration requires fresh, uncontaminated buffer solutions with known pH values. These solutions train your meter to read accurately. Always include a pH 7 buffer in your calibration. This neutral point serves as the offset reference for your meter's measurements. For best accuracy, use buffers that bracket your expected sample pH. If you expect a sample to be pH 8.6, use pH 7 and pH 10 buffers rather than pH 4 and pH 7. Buffer freshness is critical. Discard open buffers after 2 to 3 months, but pH 10.01 buffer should be discarded after just 1 month, as it degrades faster. Finally, ensure your meter is set to the correct calibration mode. If your meter lacks automatic temperature compensation, manually input the correct temperature for accurate results. If calibration doesn't solve your pH meter accuracy problems, the electrode is likely the culprit. The electrode is the most critical component and requires proper care to maintain accurate readings. Proper electrode cleaning is essential for accurate readings. Clean the electrode using a manufacturer-recommended solution, or diluted detergent can work for general cleaning. Soak the electrode for 5 to 10 minutes in the cleaning solution. Never store the electrode dry. Always use a storage solution to keep the glass layer hydrated. If the electrode dries out, soak it overnight in storage solution to restore proper function. For refillable electrodes, regularly check and refill the electrolyte solution as needed. A slow response time longer than 60 seconds indicates an old or dirty electrode that needs attention or replacement. Environmental factors can also affect pH meter accuracy. Keep the meter away from electronic devices that generate electrical noise. Ensure proper grounding and check for loose or damaged cables that could interfere with readings. Remember that electrodes typically last 12 to 18 months, regardless of use frequency. They age faster in extreme conditions. Regular maintenance and proper care will help maximize their lifespan and ensure accurate pH measurements.